A number of severe diseases are still poorly understood, and often there is no efficient therapy. Today, I want to talk about something that will shape the future of medicine: stem cells. Stem cell research has been a growing area of research in the past decades and has become one of the most promising areas in modern medicine. Stem cells will contribute to the development of therapies for many diseases and will help in saving the lives of millions of people in the future. My name is Esther Wolfs, and I've always been fascinated by stem cells. So since the very start of my career as a researcher, I started doing stem cell research because I wanted to know what we could do with these cells and how we could use them to cure diseases. And in my research group, we are also studying how we can use stem cells to find a new therapy for different diseases such as cancer and nerve disease. Now, what exactly are stem cells? Our body consists of several organs, such as the brain, the liver, the heart. And each organ has specific tissues. These tissues are made of specific cells, and all of these cells have their own unique function. After fertilization, the embryo consists of cells that do not have these specific functions yet. These cells are called undifferentiated cells, and these cells are stem cells. So, stem cells are cells that do not have their specific function yet. And they can still become different types of cells, such as bone cells, fat cells, or cartilage cells. Stem cells do not only exist during embryonic development. They are also present after birth and even in the adult body. In fact, stem cells can be seen as the raw material of the body. They serve as a repair mechanism of the body. And they are present in all tissues of the body, in the liver, in fat tissue, in the heart, and even in the center of the tooth. So imagine there is damage to a given tissue due to disease or injury or natural turnover, and let's say the liver. In response to this damage, the stem cells that are present in the liver, they start to divide, and they turn into specialized liver cells, and there they will replace the damaged cells. So now I'd like you to think of your favorite football player. So now, I'd like you to think of your favorite football team. Imagine that your team is playing a great game, but somewhere during this game, one of the players gets injured, and he has to be taken off the field by the medical team. Well, luckily, there are a number of substitute players waiting at the side of the field. And one of these substitutes starts warming up, and he will eventually enter the field to take the place of this injured player. So in this way, the game can be resumed, and hopefully your football team wins the game.